How to make black and white background effect in Davinci Resolve. Hold down the Alt key and drag your video to above track to duplicate it. Move the playhead above your video, select it, and open up Fusion page. Select Media in Node and press Shift plus space. Search for Magic Mask and add it after Media in Node. Draw 1 or 2 small lines on the subject you want to track. Set mode to better if you want and click on Track Forward and Backward button. After tracking is finished, go back to the Edit page. Move the playhead to the position you want to do the effect, and with Blade tool add a cut to the bottom clip. Go to the Color page. Select the second clip in the V1 track and set saturation to 0. Then go back to the Edit page. Open up Effects panel, click on Video Transitions, search for Paint On, add it in between your clips, and adjust its duration. From Playback menu, set Render Cache to Smart, and let this red line become blue.